you go. Go to your settings, click down, go to My Fire TV or say My Device, Developers Options, make sure both those are on. Go back home, then scroll to the left, then type in Downloader. And pull it up. On that, it says I already own it, but it'll say install there. You click on it until you download, install. Go to open. And just allow it. Right here in this bar, you want to hit www.filelinked.com. If I go too fast, you probably just gotta rewatch the video. Then hit go. And okay that. Pulls up your menu bar, you scroll down, Android device, download. And you click down here to install. It's kind of hard to see, but you'll be able to. Install file link. Just go to done, and then from here you can just delete it because it's just a download app. You hit home again. Go down to your apps. Mine can go that way, but scroll all the way over. Go to see all. Then you go all the way down to file link. Click on it. Then I got a whole list of codes. We'll just dismiss that. You can put this code in there. It works pretty good for me. A little tablet pulled up here. We'll go 380-69272. Next, take us to some Joe's place. Continue. And dismiss. And say another one about subscribe. We'll just dismiss that one too. Maybe not. Yeah, there it is. Dismiss that. And we scroll down to, these are all Spotify's. These are all apps you can put on here. 123 movie. Be careful. Some of them say like for credit. I don't even mess with those, or subscription accounts. Don't mess with none of those. One I like is right here, Cinema HD. Click on that on the side. Start download. Download's complete. Click on it again to go to install it. And just done it. And we'll get another one. You can go through, these are like all sports things. I like this Free Flicks right here. It's got a lot of like older movies on it and stuff. I'll install. Done. And we'll just go back home. Anytime you go to your file link, you want to add more stuff to it, You can just click on it and it'll pull you back up. But we'll find all of our apps here. And we'll scroll down and hit the option button. We'll just move that to the front. Option button, move this one to the front. That way when we pull them up, our apps, number 1 and 2. And on the screen here, if you click all the way up, it prompts these. Gives you your different movie selections, genre or whatever. If you click over right here, this is where your TV shows are and all your favorites, settings, and all your other good stuff there. We'll just try to play the Nun real fast. And this one, when it pulls up, you want to scroll down past trailer, download, and you want to come down here to streams. And if you see the 720 Google video, the 716 megabits, that's usually I'll try to go for the smaller ones. 720 is good enough. And you just play. And you're watching a movie. You do the same thing with TV shows. I went too far. Like you can go to TV and TV shows. You can do what's trending. You can go through all that stuff. Or you can go over here to the search bar, little microphone. Let's see if this will work. We'll just type in HBO. Yeah, then it'll pull up all your HBO stuff. And once again, you just scroll down through to the streams. And sometimes if you find a movie not on the streams here, that's why I do the other one. You go this one, you can't find it there. But you can download a bunch of them. And that's it, easy breezy. Got it.